If you have ever experienced the frustration of an overheated phone or a hot phone, you are not alone. Say from time to time, wo phone no nangasa da hwa bo sum na wo phone na hyehyehye wa. Onya wan koten na demand not to. Nkofu bebree wo hwa, demand not to one. Wo nim adekopoti ntia demand not to one. In this video, we are going to take a look at the possible or the smart solutions to an overheated or a hot phone. Before we dive into it, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment on the videos so that I get to understand what or the experiences you are going through so that we share ideas together on a platform. Let's take a look at the possible solutions to an overheated phone. On my previous video, check it out, I'll put it in the comment section. Made a link to the possible causes of an overheated phone. I'll put the link in the comment section. Click on it, listen to the possible causes of an overheated phone. Nyaman kiti bi ayeya o ma yen phone no or hwa na wa hyehyehye another wa overheat. Let's look at the possible causes. Listen to this video and let's take a look at the possible solutions to it. First and foremost, just as you identify problems, you take a look at what is the possible causes to an overheated phone. Let's take a look at it. Ask yourself these questions. Is it because my phone is exposed to direct sunlight? Is it because I use my phone to stream videos online, or I watch a lot of videos online, or I play video games with my phone so much? You first identify the culprit and then you find solutions to it. What could be the possible solutions to an overheated phone? And the question is, where is the heat coming from? Heat na ofi wo phone no leba no ofi hemfa. Obotuma abade ofi wo phone ne battery no. You have a faulty battery. Obotuma abade heat no fi wo charger cable no. The heat could possibly be coming from your battery. What phone on the battery no could be a reason why what phone no will produce a lot of heat. The battery in the phone could possibly be spoiled. What phone the battery no ebi pana wa say. What phone the battery no we blow to ama what phone no nature na ekese, but because for various reasons you haven't changed it. Because of that, obema what phone no performance issues no will arise, another phone no onye juma to them all year to your benefit. Let's take a look at the next one, that is the CPU. We have already looked at the causes and we've come to realize that because the CPU of your phone or your smartphone is the brain behind every activity on your phone. Say emano pressure so much that emano activities, emano jumedi bebrede onye non famawa. Because it is overloaded more than its strength or capacity, the phone will become hot. And we also took a look at the charger port. If your charger cable or port is not working as it's supposed to work and it malfunctions, it will start producing a lot of heat, making your phone automatically very heat, giving you a lot of distress, especially when you touch your phone. Close background applications. Most times, so you use smartphones now. You use other applications. You use multiple applications, so much that instead of them, you able close if you recent activities, na yejan or them obey you able to call back to it. Use a being as them in the course of the day, them apps will be opened on your phone. Its processes are working, making your phone overheat. I'm sure you get what I'm trying to say. When you close on a smartphone, when you close it by pressing back, it does not automatically close your phone, but when you go to your recent tab, when you hit on the recent tab, you still see the application or where you left off, you see it there. That is what I'm talking about. When you open multiple applications and they are in the background, its processes are still working on your phone. So it will make your phone overheat because it It is working for multiple applications at the same time, of which you may not know because you are on your display, you're on your main menu, thinking there's nothing going on in the background. So close background applications, releasing your phone the stress of working for all these applications at the same time. The next point is check software update. Most times, you use your phone and say your message be there. You update applications now. You update operating system now or your smartphone no na. Ebe wana ye fi ho another ye miado there next time na ye be the mad no. All these issues prevent the phone from working as it is supposed to work. The software updates message na ya yenya wo yen phone no. They are there to enhance the phone or the operating system's performance. Demi updates ni nyina wo ho there oboboyen na yetum yenya better performance for our smartphone. Ni nyina wo certain features or updates yen softwares no wo yen phone no na o ma yen phone or prevent the little bugs now or yen phone no or prevent them from affecting or performing or affecting the performance of the phone. So these software updates message na yenya wo yen phone no ono obua phone no ma oye adwuma just as it is supposed to work, removing or fixing bugs on the phone so that performance related activities will be at its optimum best. On one of my videos I explained how we can multitask with our phone, how we can use two applications at the same time. We all love to multitask, perform activities with multiple applications at the same time. It is very effective. It helps with work activities. It helps us use the phone to its optimum capacity. But at some point, it becomes a strain on the phone, making the phone work to a point that is not expected, making the phone overheat. All these issues prevent the phone from working normally. I'll say normally because say use multiple applications. Just as I taught, you use multiple applications, you work on two applications at the same time. A type or a type or the other applications, When you do that for a long period of time, because the phone is working to meet your needs and demands, it will overheat and the phone will start becoming hot. So it's nice to do that, but let's try to minimize it so that the phone will not start becoming hot or will not start overheating. Excessive multitasking will slow your phone down, bringing you performance-related issues or problems that you may have to fix in the future. So let's minimize the use of multiple applications at the same time. The next point we take a look at is we should manage our display or brightness. Say you flip your phone screen from a screen the day before me there. Some bar ten bi wo ha say e pushi no kwani ma bo da wo phone ne brightness no why ekese e de be chiri e bi no wonde wo ha e de kofom e bi so wonde wo e de kosoro. As much as e de kwani ma na de kosoro no increases or decreases the brightness of your phone. Now the more wo phone ne brightness no owo soro no, all these things are performance related activities. It's the more increase the brightness of your phone, no, now it puts a strain on the phone, the battery, and performance related issues. Yen try as much as possible. There, you will reduce yen phone ne brightness now at least under. Let's balance it. Let me put it this way. Let's balance it so that each time no. On my phone, no, the processes the phone has to go through won't add up with display or brightness, now on my phone, no, on your show. Into yen brightness, that more like a balanced one, or you reduce, to the point, apart from there, phone will overheat, it will become a strain for our eyes as well. Let's put our display or brightness to a minimal level so that it won't be one of the factors for an overheated or a hot phone. At some point in the process of looking at the possible solutions to an overheated phone, we should try as much as possible to at some point in time you remove the phone cover or the case from your phone, so that at least the phone, I would say the phone can breathe. Try as much as possible, as you remove it, you use it as an opportunity to clean the phone itself. Relieve the phone of the burden of being covered with something. Some people, especially ladies, if I should say, have a cover that's, I'm sure if it's on a human, it will start complaining each time. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Remove it at some point in time. Take time, clean the phone, and let it breathe a little, so that the phone won't be one of the causes of an overheated phone. Lastly, I will say that just as I said, let's give our phones a break. After using the phone from I would say from midnight to another midnight, at some point in time, let's just put the phone down for it to rest a little, so that we can use that time to attend to other things that does not revolve around the usage of our smartphones. Recently, we saw what happened with the fiber cuts when the internet wasn't working. I'm sure we were all affected, but when it came back on, we saw how happy most of us were. So let's take a look at these possible solutions, try our hands on it, so that we can have our phones work to its optimum capacity each time we apply all these processes ourselves. Thanks guys for being part of this episode. Try your hands on it, put your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video for more educative content like this. Goodbye.